Here we are at Lake Wivenhoe, about halfway between where we left this morning and our destination tonight. Just stopped off to have a spot of lunch. Got a nice little quick stir fry for everyone. Gleno's just having a little rest, enjoying the serenity. It's a beautiful spot, little day use area. All right, so I've done a little bit of prep. Took me about 10 minutes. I started off with putting some glass noodles into some boiling water, not boiling water. So you boil the water, turn it off, put your glass noodles in there. Let them cook or just sit in the hot water. And then after about 10 minutes, tip the water out, cool them down, set them aside. So I've just cut up some snow peas, some capsicum, some shallot, chili two ways. So I've got chili for the garnish, and I've got a little bit of chili that's gonna go through the stir fry. I've got the tops of the shallots just shredded up, some bean sprouts here, and some Spanish onion. I've done all the prep. Now it's time for the meat. So I've got all the veg prep out of the way so I can get stuck into prepping the meat so we don't do any cross-contamination. So I've just got some shredded rump here from Super Butcher. I'm just gonna put that straight in the bowl there. Just gonna get a light marinade on it. So I've got some Gold Gourmet products here, some Thai dressing and some barbecue sauce. We sell these in Super Butcher. Beautiful products. We're just gonna go 50-50, probably about a quarter cup of each straight on top of that beef. You're gonna get a nice sort of Thai undertone with that dressing there, and the beef's gonna round it out. Sorry, the barbecue sauce is gonna round it out. Touch of soy sauce just to get that soy flavor, that Asian flavor in there. Stir that up. And I mean, you could do this a couple of hours beforehand if you wanted to, but it doesn't need that long. We're gonna cook it into it and all soaking up. All right, that's looking good. All right, let's move this aside, get the gas cooker set up and punch it out. All right, gas is set up, pan's nice and hot. We're just gonna toast some sesame seeds off real quick. I'm gonna do that first, otherwise you won't really get a chance to do it. And changing the flavor of those toasted sesames is gonna make that extra difference. You gotta move them around though, they'll burn real quick. So pan's hot, you can see them popping away there. Means they're cooking real fast. Let's give them a toss. Turn them out. We're gonna add this at the very end. Nice. All right, they're good to go. A little bit of oil in the pan. Start with your onion, just your Spanish one. Get that in there, get it moving. We're gonna get our vegetables all cooked real quick, remove them, and then add our beef. You'll see why. All right, let's cool the pan down just marginally so we can get our ginger in. We want just a small piece. All right, that's enough. Snow peas. Capsicum, and however much chili you're brave enough to have. Now these cayennes aren't too hot, so I'm just going to put probably a tablespoon's worth in there. Get it moving. Make that heat back up. All right, we're going to take these to just tender. Add our cashews. Warm them up really. All right, just off into a bowl so we can get our beef cooking. A little bit more oil. Now 500 grams will be enough for probably 4 people, but I'm gonna do it in 2 batches. So half will be enough for 2 people. 2 of us sitting here on the lake. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. And we're gonna go super fast. Veg in, a little bit of soy. Veg in. Beautiful. A little bit of soy. Nice. All right, and then finish just with a handful of those noodles. These ones just need to be warmed through. Maybe you've cooked them already. A nice little sauce on them. Beautiful. That beef's dropping a little bit of its juice. It's catching all those flavors. All right. Let's do it. Start with your noodles. Vegetables. And beef. Lovely, lovely. All right, now we've got some garnishes here. Got some bean shoots. Some more shallots, just shredded up. Some chili. And a little bit of toasted sesame. There you go, guys. That is how you do a 2-minute stir fry. All right, Gleno, how's that? Little quick one?
That's very fast.
All right, mate.
I can smell cooking over there.
Yeah. All right, so we just got a beef stir fry here, my man, with some glass noodles.
Thank you, my friend.
My pleasure.
Asian flavour. Love it. What's that sweet Thai taste?
That's the Gold Gourmet dressing. I just laced it with some of their barbecue sauce, sort of like a cheat stir fry.
Oh, right. I like cheat stir fry.
Yeah, it's a good little trick. Both good products. Just finished off with a bit of soy, round it out, worked well.
Mate, this is amazing. I'm going to go sit down here at the lake, enjoy my lunch.
Sounds good. Let's do it. Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed that episode of CookemUp. Now if you want to rewatch that video, get the recipe card or have a look at any of the ingredients, just go to superbutcher.com.au/superchef. You can also have a look at some of our other recipes, tips and tricks that we've got on there for everyone.